How to stream games on TikTok. So if you want to stream games on TikTok, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to go for the search and search for TikTok Live Studio. Once you've searched here, you will have www.tiktok.com, and under that you will have download Live Studio. Go for that website and click on free download for Windows, and you need to download the Live Studio. So for me, I have already downloaded the Live Studio. Once you've downloaded, you just need to go and search for TikTok Live Studio and then open that studio and click on yes. And once you're logged into your TikTok, now what you need to do is you just need to go for the left and go for the scenes. And under that, you need to choose portrait mode because on TikTok we have portrait mode, right? We don't have the landscape mode, or it's just not suitable for TikTok. So choose the portrait mode. Once you choose the portrait mode, now you just need to so once you're here, you just need to go for add source and you need to add display capture. Once you've added the display capture here, you will have this kind of interface, right? So once you've added the display capture, you just need to go for add source again, and then you can use window or camera or anything that you're comfortable with. And once you've added the sources, you just need to go for your game that you are playing with, and you will have the access. Like you will have your game right here. So that's how you can stream games on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.